Everyone thinks the best-selling electric cooker is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Cuckoo Rice Cooker. First up is the Cuckoo CRP-MHTR0309F, a 3-cup induction heating rice cooker that caught my eye right away. It's compact, yet has 15 versatile cooking modes, making it a powerful little machine for busy families. If you want perfectly cooked rice without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its induction heating technology, which surrounds the inner pot, cooking is faster and more efficient. It has options for everything from gaba rice to high-pressure steaming, which means you can whip up a delicious meal in no time. Plus, the 3-cup uncooked capacity is perfect for small family dinners or gatherings, and it's already been bought by over 50 families in the past month, showing it's really getting attention. Now, some people complained about the hand wash only instruction. I'll be real with you, that can be frustrating. But here's the thing, it's not a deal breaker for me. If you're serious about having perfectly cooked rice, the flavor and texture you get far outweigh the extra effort of washing it by hand. Just be prepared to spend a few extra minutes cleaning up. This is perfect for you if you're a small family looking for an easy way to make dinner stress-free. Skip this one if you need a larger capacity cooker or if you're looking for something that can handle more than just rice. For the price and the convenience it offers, it's a solid investment.
So we've taken a closer look at the Cuckoo CRP-MHTR0309F, a fantastic option for busy families who want reliable and tasty results without too much hassle. If you're on the hunt for an electric cooker that really delivers, this one is definitely worth your time.